As a manufacturer, I need a new ingredient, so I initiate a collaboration with my suppliers on potential new specifications. My specifications are in my source system, but I can load all components and value sets to the cloud, where the collaboration will happen. When the new specification is finalized, I can transfer the data back to the source system. If I want to use this complete scenario, first I have to set up in my source system which data I would like to replicate to SAP Enterprise Product Development. I open the implementation guide and navigate to the customizing activity, Define Settings for Specification APIs. Here, I can add any composition and text-based or numeric property that I want to use in the cloud as well. There are some compositions predefined by SAP that are handled separately by the APIs. These are nutrients, allergens, and pure substances. To leverage the predefined standard composition definitions in the API, I have to make sure that I use the related specification categories for the composition items. I assign specification types to categories in the Specify Specification Types in Recipe Development Customizing. If everything is okay, I can return to the API customizing. I can set up any other listing, composition, quantitative or qualitative type compositions on the Define Compositions custom view. Each row here is a unique combination of a value assignment type, VAT, rating, and validity area. 2 different usages will be 2 rows. I can also define normal, class-based properties like density. Every property definition is a unique combination of a VAT with category A, a rating, and a validity area. I can also assign character or number-based characteristics like the density value and temperature. Finally, I have to define a few additional attributes on the Define Standard Attributes and the Base Unit of Measure views. I'm ready with defining everything that the specification APIs should handle. I can find detailed information in the documentation of the customizing. I can also read about the specification APIs on the Help portal.